2.2 part B, prove the reasons that triangle WRV is an isosceles triangle. So here WRV. So what we mainly need here is that we need two angles equal or two sides equal, and that should prove that WRV is an isosceles triangle. So firstly, let's first put all our x's. What we know, this is x, this was x from the previous one, and that was also x. So firstly, we either need v1 or w1 to be x, and then that should solve it for us. But firstly, what we also know is that WSTV is a cyclic quad, because that's proven above. So now we can actually use that to be true. So if that is true, then we can also say that W2 is equals to S2, which is equals to X. All right, so that's your angles in the same segment. So let's put that down. So W2 is equals to S2, which is equals to X. And that's angles in same segment. And thereafter, what we also know is we also have some parallel lines here. Is we can say that V1 is equals to W2. So V1 is equals to W2, which is equals to X, which is alternate angles. So V1 equals to W2, which is equals to X. And as you can see, there we already have two X's in a triangle. So alternate angles, and which lines are parallel is WT and RV. WT is parallel to RV. And because of that, what we can therefore thereafter conclude is that, but R is also equals to X. So, but R is equals to X. And because of that, we can therefore state that because R is equals to X and V1 is equals to X, therefore WV is equals to WR. Therefore, WV is equals to WR. And our reason there is sides opposite equal angles. And therefore, triangle WRV is an isosceles triangle. Release triangle.